welcome back to another video. In this video, we're playing some Bed Wars. I know my channel is becoming Bed Wars a lot. So, I am a fan of Bed Wars. My first ever channel was called Surendra Pal. I did not make it. It was by my grandfather. That's why my channel name is that. So yeah. Oh, clutch. I'm good at speed reading. Blue's coming. Ink. I need a defense right now. ASAP. Defense. There might be a monster bridger, so yeah, I'd have to defense the bed. Defend. Go. Three hands. I wanna be a friend so badly, guys. This is just getting annoying, like that. So yeah. This is the second part. This is the third part of Bed Wars. So yeah. Yeah, it's set bling. This is a pretty bad quality video. Just please apologize. Please. I gave terracotta. Wood. I have to jump and do something. Just do something. I'm getting hard trying to remember something that I can do actually, guys. So seriously, this is hard concentration. I'm trying hard as I can, but just turns out what I'm sorry I'm talking so long. Wait. Horizon! My favorite map. Mostly because all of the set blings are cool. The dab, mostly because of the D. am a speed bridger too, but not such a good one. Oh, I did hit the block though. That was pretty clutch a little bit. I hit the block when I fell into the void from. I think that was like more. Oh my god! Look at all that iron. It wasn't. Seriously, dude, my controls are broken. I swear. Um, Let me check my controls. Sensitivity. Yeah, that's better sensitivity actually. Finally, I found the sensitivity. Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. And I'm just gonna do the controls, the sensitivity. Oh no, 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 no. Green, green, green. Get him, get him. Okay, I'm just gonna change myself to, I think, what? Whoa! That's a perfect sensitivity, actually, if you ask me. I think 90 is the best. No, 90 has to be a little bit faster. 100 is too fast, actually. 97. Yeah, 97 is good. Actually, 97 is not so perfect. 90. I am a good speed bridger, and no one will question how I do it every day, okay? I did this part, I think. Yeah, I did this part. I'm so bad at PvP. What's wrong with me? I should have blocked the hits. I'm gonna destroy the bed because seriously I had a lot of stuff and now I'm just gonna now I has nothing. And yeah, you destroy your bed, we destroy your bed. Oh, seriously, dude, that's so annoying. That guy is mean. I'm leaving the server.